In this video we are going to show you how to make your bedroom look expensive on a budget. Feel like the royalty you are when you step foot into your bedroom. It is important to invest the proper resources to create a space that brings joy, comfort, and tranquility when you step foot inside of it. While you might think it's just a space you go to sleep, it is the place that you need to feel the most at peace in. You need to walk in at the end of the day and instantly feel a sense of relaxation that invites you to come and relax and easily fall asleep. You need to feel free and happy in this space so you can recharge and wake up on a positive note to conquer the day ahead. Having a dull, uninviting room can have a toll on your quality of sleep and mood. These tips will help you create a comfortable and appealing bedroom that you genuinely feel relaxed and comfortable in. We've made sure to include only affordable tips so you can get a bougie bedroom on a budget. The first tip on how to make a bedroom look high-end is by adding some character to the bedroom wall. Be it something small and budget-friendly or something grand and a little more costly, a little character goes a long way. While paint is nice, it doesn't emit class the same way a statement piece does. Something as simple as some wall decor or wood panels can change the entire vibe of the room. We will include some links in the description of the video of some affordable pieces you can use for your character wall, so make sure to check it out before you leave. Next on the list of decorating your bedroom on a budget is character headboards. This is an alternative option if you want to keep the walls as is, maybe because you are renting. Or just because you enjoy the simplicity, consider adding a character headboard to your bed. This has the same old statement a character wall can add, but with less work or wall damage. Adding character through the headboard or wall makes a bold statement that just screams wow, now that looks classy. Even the simplest art or pattern can instantly add sophistication to the once boring tone-deaf room. Adding a character piece will upgrade the whole room look without having to invest in an entire room redesign and new furniture and colors. You can find a link to the sun headboard seen in the video as well as other fun headboards in the description of the video. The most important and crucial part of any bedroom is the bed. Upgrade and invest in a few quality bed sets. Think fluffy so that it just hugs you and makes you feel like you are laying on clouds. That ultimate comfort will draw you in and help you fall asleep easily, while helping you get quality rest. Next, throw blankets add a quick visual that represents comfort. Add a small throw blanket on the edge of the bed to instantly give the look and feel of luxury. Also, decorative throw pillows are a great touch to add to your bed. Not only does an ultra-fluffy bed seem luxurious, it is also extra comfortable, allowing you to enjoy your room and look forward to laying down even that much more. Another way to make your bedroom look luxurious is by adding in a seating area. This is something that is very common among big bedrooms. Anytime you look at a luxury bedroom you can spot an extra sitting place. This can be a bench at the foot of the bed, or a nice comfortable chair in a corner. Adding in this extra seating area gives you a place to store the decorative pillows at night, or the throw blankets, as well as a place for you to lay your clothes out and change in and out of. A nice corner chair makes the perfect zen zone to sit back and drink a cup of tea and read a book, or to just chill out after a long day. This little added luxury is a tip that serves a purpose instead of just decor that is nice to look at. Depending on the space in your room, figure out if a bench or a chair works best and see how useful it will become. Swap out those outdated and ugly table lamps and ceiling fans with a fancy hanging chandelier or some nice hanging pendants near your nightstand, or even add in some backlighting. If you are renting, consider using a rechargeable light bulb, which we have included a link in the description of the video for you. As a renter you can also use the LED strips to create some beautiful backlighting under the bed or behind the headboard. Adding in some modern lighting fixtures really does upgrade the look for the room as well as changing the ambience. The atmosphere of the room can be controlled so you can transform the space into an inviting and cozy sleeping quarters fit for the royalty you are. Make sure to visit the video description for links to many useful accessories to help you create a luxury bedroom on a budget. You can find many pieces that were featured in the video as well as other helpful items. And if you enjoyed these tips, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content like this. Thanks for watching.